What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Romanovich, Auto Surgeon. We are back at it with this beast of a Silverado. If you guys haven't seen that rebuild, make sure to check it down on my YouTube channel. Today is a crazy video. I don't even know how it just regularly happened, but here we are. It's like already hitting 7 o'clock, so we are running a little bit late. Had to run by the bank, grab some money, got to hit the road. Got about an hour to ride one way and then an hour and back. So let's go ahead and not waste any more time. I'll get you guys in a loop when we get there. Alright guys, we finally made it. Made a small little purchase right back there behind me. I've been wanting to do something like this for a very long time. I know that whenever I was growing up, and I'm gonna do this a little bit later, I guess, because we still gotta ride a good hour back. So I'll just pause and wait for that. But I'm gonna just say this road that I took to get here was the most beautiful road I've ever ridden. Gosh, it's so nice out in the country. I'm personally back all the way from Ukraine, and when I used to go to my grandma's and grandpa's, they lived out in the farms, and it was just gorgeous. I mean, look at this. You got one house standing, and then you got a ton of land. There's areas here where they're just cows. It's bringing back so many memories. I was over there almost every single summer, just about. I know my older brothers were there a lot more than me, but it just bring back so many memories, and I miss them. They are passed away now. Sadly, I didn't get to really say goodbye or really be with them when I was growing up, because around when I was 6.5, we moved out to the US and started a new life out here. But I'm thankful to God that they were there for me in that life, and they showed me a lot of things. They taught me what they could in the little moments that I've had with them. But going through this life and through this little road right here, it's kind of making me want to cry. And I'm planning a trip, hopefully with my brother, for next summer to actually go out there and see all the old memories of all the places that where we lived, where we went to school, everything like that. Because I still remember the school I went to. I think I went to preschool and then like first and second or something like that. And yeah, man, I still remember like the road we had to cross from our neighborhood. Sorry, I can't even think right now because of the memory. And there would be a grandma that would be actually sitting on the other side, and she would be selling like David seeds, you know, the seeds to eat. They were so nice. She would take a newspaper and roll it up for 10 cents. You could get a whole thing. One of the best memories ever. But I'll get you guys back at the house, or whenever we get out of this area, because I don't really know it, so I gotta use the GPS. But one of the most beautiful places, this is all the way on top of Georgia. It's almost like I don't know, 100-foot drop. I'm sure it's even more. Just straight down. You can see almost all, I don't know if it's the downtown part of it, but it's just gorgeous. I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, so I want to go ahead and finish talking. So yeah, I'm kind of trying to make it so I will be, let's just say I got a bunch of nieces and nephews, so I want to be not a year, not a day, sorry, hold on, let me back that up. Not a day, not a year, but the best uncle of the century. So I am pushing hard. Also a brother, best brother of the century. I know my sister wants to learn to ride. I know my brother, younger brother, wants to ride. At least I hope he does. But I would love for them to learn and gain that experience, and you know, just experience something like this. I know when I was a little boy, I wish I had someone to buy for me, and we just weren't in at the best circumstance or situation, as you can say, to do that. Just being rough with the money. But now that I finished school, I'm able to work and make a little bit extra on the side and do this for them, and I'm very happy to be able to bring this to them, and hopefully they'll enjoy it, and I guess appreciate it. If they don't, I know I'm gonna ride it. But yeah, so doing a small project, would really appreciate your guys' support. Please let me know down below where I can find all the parts, because I need a full top end and bottom end rebuild. I need clutch levers, brake levers, brakes, brake calipers probably. We're gonna be doing full overhaul. I'm gonna give you a walk around of the bike once I get back to the house, and probably gonna be during the winter, just because we are working on our house that was hit by the tornado. If you guys haven't seen that video, it is posted on my channel. Go ahead and check that out. Thank God, you know, everybody was safe. All right, so I'll resume this video once I am back at the house. There we go. Finally arrived. This beast, obviously, was a piece of cake. This thing hauls like crazy. Here's the bike. I didn't want to do it over at the house because we got some work going on over there, but here we go. It is in rough shape. You guys can see it does need a needs a piston and a few things, but I'm planning on doing a full complete rebuild of the top and bottom end. Needs some calipers redone. I mean, I'm just gonna do a full overhaul, like brake levers, clutch lever, all the above. Hopefully, I'm supposed to have my powder coating gun coming in soon. It was set back on delivery just because the orders have been going out the roof, so it's taking a while to come in. But yeah, fresh set of plastics. I think we're not going to worry about the seat at the moment. I think the seat will do perfectly fine. We're just going to worry about the engine, trying to fully rebuild it, strip this completely down, sand all this down, and I'm going to be respraying it. And if the gun doesn't come in on time when I'm ready to spray, then I'll just put it all back together, at least test ride it, make sure it's all nice and well, and then yeah. But it'll be my first time rebuilding a 2-stroke. I've dived into a 4-stroke before. It was a 2012 Yamaha WR250. No, I apologize, I don't think I went into that one. It was a 450 SXF KTM. There you go. It was a dual sport 4-stroke. Pretty easy to dive in. I'm gonna see what I can do with this thing. It's gonna be a little bit different, but I hear it's a lot easier than a 4-stroke, a lot less parts to deal with. So hopefully we get this thing built over the winter. Hopefully we'll even get to ride it during the here in a little bit. But I'm posting this video early just so we can go ahead and get your guys' help. Please let me know down in the description where I can find some parts for this. This is a 1994 KX80. I don't think it's the big wheel, it's all the small wheels. So, but yeah, pretty much need everything for the engine. I think I found some Wisconsin whatever rebuild for all that. But yeah, I'll need quite a bit of stuff, so please let me know. Like that part right there, definitely gonna need that, so let me know. Love you guys' support, but hopefully this little build comes along pretty quick. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Really appreciate all you guys' support. You guys are awesome. Take care.